Alright, I'm back. I got my computer and boot device menu. I'm finna get ready to load up my 360 mod disk so I can restore some power back to my DVD drive. So I'm gonna click on CD-ROM, which is 4 for me. It may be different for you, so I'm gonna hit 4 and enter. Alright. As you can see, it's loading up my 360 mod disk version 1.6. Now what it's asking me to do, press in the key to continue, hit enter. It's asking me to hit any key again. I'm going to hit enter. Alright, before we can begin, they need some information from my PC. So it asks me to hit any key, so I'm going to hit enter again. Now it's asking me, what port am I using? Please enter the port for your SATA card. My SATA card is not showing 6421 like the majority of everybody's. Mine is showing another number, which is 3249. So I'm gonna enter in my SATA port anyway. It's DD90. Like I said, once again, yours more than likely will be different than mine. I'm gonna hit enter. Alright, it says successfully set my SATA port, so I'm gonna hit enter again. And ask me what COM port below, so I'm gonna hit 1, enter. Alright, it's asked, now I already have a compatible serial cable for your lite-on. I'm just going to hit enter again on this screen also. Alright, it's asked me what kind of drive I have that I'm trying to restore, which is the lite-on. So I'm going to type in lite-on, L-I-T-E-O-N, enter. Alright, and it's asking me to create a file name. So I'm going to name this as brick 1, enter. Alright, it's asked me, I've created a folder. It's asked me to hit enter key again, so I'm going to hit enter. Alright, now it's basically telling me to put my drive in mode B, which of course is brick, so I have to manually put it in mode B. So what I'm going to do is use this to eject my tray after I power the drive on, and so I'm finna put it in mode B right now. Alright, I got my CK3 kit hooked back up to my drive, so I'm gonna power on. Flip my tray over and hit the manual eject, which is right up under the wires. It's pretty close to the front right stand if you got it turned over and you're facing it. So I'm gonna hit that to eject the tray. Alright, I'm gonna pull it out manually, turn my kit off, close the tray halfway. Now I'm gonna power it back on, and it should be in mode B. Alright, come back up to my computer. Now I'm gonna hit enter. It says can't get inquiry update, which is fine. It asks me what the firmware dump successful. I'm gonna always hit Y for yes. It says preparing iExtreme version 1.6 firmware for your lite-on. I'm gonna just hit enter again, and it'll give you this error message: error file dummy bin does not exist, which it always give me this. I'm gonna just hit enter again. Alright, it's giving me, just basically telling me leave everything connected, do not disconnect anything. I'm gonna hit enter again. It's erasing. Alright, Erase, okay, erase finish. So it's asking me to hit enter key again. So I'm gonna hit enter. Alright, now it's telling me to turn the drive off for 5 seconds and then turn it back on. That's what I'm about to get ready to do. I'm gonna turn my CK3 kit off. Wait about 5 seconds. Power it back on. Come back up to hit enter again. Then it's right into the banks. Alright, it's telling me write finish. You press enter key to continue. I can hit enter or just leave it as is. Either or, it's up to you. Alright, and I'm gonna come back down to my drive. I'm gonna power my drive off. Close it manually. I'm gonna power it back on to show that to try and test it out, see if I have power to the drive. It's not the correct keys, it's not anything on it. I'm just trying to restore power to where I can eject it with my CK3 kit, which is spinning up right now. Hit eject again, which as you can see, I once again have control of my drive, that's all I was looking for. Alright. So now what I want to do, I'm through with my 360 disc. Either I could take it out or just leave it in. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It's my 360 mod disc. I'm finished with it. Don't need it anymore. So I'm finna reboot my computer and start back up in DOS mode so I can load up this iPrep off of this flash drive. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. So I'm finna pause the video right here again, and then once you see me again, I will be getting ready to load up off the flash drive.